Struggling with organizing data and performing calculations in Apple numbers? You're not alone. Many users find it confusing to input values correctly, get frustrated with formula errors, and struggle to format their spreadsheets properly. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to enter values, create formulas, and use essential functions so you can simplify your calculations and manage data like a pro without any hassle. Let's dive in. Open Apple Numbers and create a new spreadsheet. Click on cell A1 and type 100, then press Enter. Click on cell A2 and type 200, then press Enter. Here's a quick tip. Select the cells, go to the Format pane, and set them as number or currency. Click on cell A3. Type equals A1 plus A2 and press Enter. The result should be 300. Let's explore some basic arithmetic operations in a spreadsheet using these example values. A1 is 50, A2 is 25, and A3 is 10. Click on A4 and enter equals A1 plus A2. Result 75. Click on A5 and enter equals A1 dash A2. Result 25. Click on A6 and enter equals A1 multiply A3, result 500. Click on a 7 and enter equals A1 slash A3, result 5. First, take a look at our example values. A 1 is 10, a 2 is 20, a 3 is 30, a 4 is 40, and a 5 is 50. Now click on cell A6. You can manually enter equals sum A1 to A5 in a 6. This will add all the values from A1 to A5, risk giving you a result of 150. Create a table with headers. In cell A1, type item. In B1, type price. A 2, apples. A 3, bananas. A 4, cherries. B2, 3. B3, 2. B4, 5. Enter a formula in one cell. In A5, enter equals B2 plus B3. Result, 5. Click on the cell with the formula, then drag the fill handle, small dot at the bottom right, down to A6. The formula automatically adjusts to equals B3 plus B4. Result, 7. To recap, we covered how to enter values, create basic arithmetic formulas, utilize functions, organize data in tables, and leverage relative copy and paste. You now have the skills to tackle your data head on. Think about it. What could you simplify in your life using these formulas? Perhaps tracking your monthly expenses or analyzing your work projects. The possibilities are endless. I challenge you to implement at least one formula in a real-life project this week. Whether it's for budgeting, project management, or any other task, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. What formulas do you plan to use? Share your thoughts and let's keep the conversation going. Your spreadsheet transformation starts now. Let's see what you can create.